We got some string beans here, and I'm going to do something with them. Okay, or normally back in Sicily you have to break these things off like this, and usually they have veins. You got to take the veins out. These don't have any veins, so you want to just take the tips off, because otherwise it might choke you. So you cut those off like that, right there. This bowl to wash them. I'm gonna put them in this bowl to wash them. I have filtered water on my sink, so I use that to wash them because I don't want chlorine on them. But if you don't, it's okay. Whatever it is, it is. Strain them. Frying pan, saute pan, any kind of pan you got. Maybe it's too small now. Put it right in there. Now we're gonna put a little water in here. See, I'm lucky because I got steaming hot water right here. Just take it another way. I'm gonna put a little bit of that. Okay, we're gonna cover them so they can steam. So this is where I keep my salt. They reach in there like that. You grab some. Like that. Yep, and cover. Alright, so now you wanna kind of check it. It's hot. But
what are you looking for when you check it?
you wanna take away the real hard. Turn it off. I'm gonna strain the water. Make sure you get all the water out of it. Okay, at this point you can either keep some of those and eat them, the way they are, like that, in the side dish. We're gonna put olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, now watch. Cut it up like. Shoo. That's it. We're gonna put the garlic in. It's a lot of garlic. You like garlic?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you can improvise on the garlic. More or less depends on how much your system can handle garlic. Then we're gonna put some fresh ground pepper. Like that. It's up to you. If you want a spice, you put chili pepper. Let it simmer now with that garlic in. So, needs more salt. Do this. You take the knife and you do this. Just make sure you don't cut your hand and go all the way through the tomato. And you take the stem out. See that? String beans need a lot of salt. Sorry. A little white wine in there.
Okay. You don't have to put it in again.
About
Yeah?
now they're talking to me. You can use the same process for string beans, broccoli, cauliflower, any pretty much vegetables. And they'll come out pretty much the same. But the main ingredient you gotta do is big handful of love everywhere. Makes it taste good. When you cook, you gotta be happy about it. Otherwise, the food won't taste good if you're doing it a lot. Got it? So when you get done, usually the good flavor is in the frying pan. So you take the bread and you do this. Not only you clean the frying pan, you got the thing here, and then you eat it.